Hello students, welcome back to my channel once again. In this class, I am going to teach you substitution in monosubstituted benzene. In the other videos, students, I have done the mechanism of electrophilic substitution. There we have learned that in benzene and any other aromatic compound, electrophilic substitution reactions are most common. Okay, and also we have seen how the electrophile is being substituted in benzene and the mechanism, and also in another video I have done few examples related to electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay, and I also told you why electrophiles are being attracted to benzene ring, because benzene is rich in electrons. Okay, and also the formula of benzene, students, as you all know, it is C6H6. That means each carbon will have one hydrogen atom, and all the 6 hydrogens, they are alike. Okay, and for example, if we take benzene and we treat it with chlorine or bromine or any other, then what happens? So this one of the hydrogens, so this hydrogen or this or this or this, any one hydrogen and one chlorine atom comes out as HCl, and the other chlorine atom gets substituted here. Okay, see, look here, I have these are the pi bonds inside, and chlorine can be substituted here or here or here or here or here. Okay, so there is no difference between these 6 carbon atoms. So this is a monosubstituted benzene. We call it as chlorobenzene. There is no specific carbon, this chlorine should go here only, here only, here only, like that. Okay, as 6 carbons in benzene are alike, this chlorine atom can be substituted anywhere. For example, I will show you. It can come here, okay, or it can come here. So anywhere it can come and it can be substituted in the place of hydrogen. So this is chlorobenzene, and this is also chlorobenzene. Okay, so there is no specificity like chlorine should come and get substituted here only. That is in the case of monosubstituted benzene. For example, students, when a group is already there, okay, for example, let it be X. This is a monosubstituted benzene. Okay, now if any other group is coming inside, like new admission, okay, suppose this Y has to come inside and get substituted. So the place of this Y in benzene ring will be decided by the group which is already present or already attached to the benzene nucleus. Okay, so it would be the directing influence or the orientation effect of the group or atom which is already present in the ring. Okay, now to which position should the new group come and get substituted? So that was experimentally observed that there can be 2 types of products formed. Okay, when a new group is being entering into a substituted benzene. Okay, so those 2 are, one is ortho-para disubstituted product, and another one is meta disubstituted product. First, let me tell you what are these ortho-para and meta positions. So this is X already there now, students. So the adjacent positions to X, we call them as ortho positions, and these positions we call it as meta positions, and this we call it as para positions. Okay, so when a second group is being introduced, when a second group is coming inside to get substituted in a monosubstituted benzene, then there will be 2 chances of products. It was experimentally observed, students. What are they? One is ortho-para disubstituted product and might result, and in certain cases meta disubstituted product might result. Okay, so what is the reason for this? The reason for this is the group or atom which is already present. Here I have assumed it to be X. Okay, it will direct the new group or atom which is coming inside either to go to ortho para positions or meta positions. Okay, and this is entirely based or entirely due to the orientation effect or directing influence of the group or atom which is already present in the ring. Okay, students. So therefore, if the group is directing to orthopara position, then we call that group as orthopara directing groups, and if the group is directing to meta position, then we call it as meta directing groups. Students, once again repeating for you, we have already learned the electrophilic substitution reactions, the mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution in benzene and all in the other classes. Please once watch those videos if you have not yet watched. Okay, so and here I want to tell you that all the 6 carbons in benzene are alike. Okay, and only one monosubstituted product is possible. Okay, why? Possible means the group or atom which is coming to, inside the benzene ring, it can go and attach at any carbon. There is no specificity. Fine. So, if we are doing chlorination, the monosubstituted product might be like this or like this or like this. Okay, students, is this point clear? Okay. Now, the point comes here. Suppose if a group is already there, this is the monosubstituted benzene. If a new group is incoming, then where will it go? It depends on the orientation effect, or it depends completely on the nature of the group which is already there in the benzene ring. Okay, so in such cases, there are chances for 2 types of products to form. One is ortho-para disubstituted and the other one is meta disubstituted. So let me tell you the positions, ortho-para and meta positions. Look at benzene. See, this is the group already there, X, okay? And immediately the next carbon, the carbon which is bearing X, these 2 adjacent carbons, these positions we call them as ortho. These positions we call them as meta, and this position we call it as para position. Okay, so what is the reason for this? Why in few cases the incoming group is going to ortho para positions, in few cases the incoming group is going to meta position? The reason is it is entirely depending on the nature of this group, and we call it as the orientation effect or directing influence of the group which is already present. It might direct to ortho para position, or sometimes it might direct to the meta position. Okay, so depending upon to the positions it is directing, we can have 2 types of directing groups. They are ortho para directing groups and meta directing groups. Next, put the side heading, students. Ring activating and deactivating groups. Okay, so I told you there will be 2 types of directing groups. The groups which direct the new incoming group or atom to ortho and para positions, and the group directing the new incoming group or atom to meta position. Okay, so the first one you can put the side heading as ortho and para directing groups. Ortho and para directing groups. Kindly underline the side heading. Okay, so these are the ortho and para directing groups. These are the groups which direct the newly entering group or atom to ortho and para positions. Okay, students, so how do we define ortho and para directing groups? The groups which direct the newly entering group or atom to ortho and para positions are called as ortho and para, or simply O, P directing groups. Okay, and these groups, students, you know, they activate the benzene nucleus. This point also you can write. They activate benzene nucleus And as benzene nucleus is activated by these directing groups, further substitution will be facilitated. Further substitution will be facilitated. Okay, as they are activating the benzene nucleus and facilitating further electrophilic substitution, these groups are called as activating groups. Underline that. These groups are also called as activating groups. And also students, few examples you can note down. Examples: OH, NH2, NHR, NR2, OCH3, next CH3, Cl, Br, I, CH2, OH, CH2, COOH, etc. Okay students, once again, ortho and para directing groups are the groups which direct the newly entering group or atom to ortho and para positions. They activate the benzene nucleus and also facilitate further substitution. Hence, they are also called as activating groups. Second type is meta-directing groups, students. Okay, meta-directing groups. The groups which direct the newly entering group to meta position are called as meta-directing groups. Okay, so OP directing we have seen they activate benzene nucleus, but here the meta-directing groups they deactivate benzene ring, and here OP groups are facilitating further substitution. Here meta-directing groups they hinder further substitution. Hence, these groups are called as deactivating groups. If you learn ortho-para directing groups, automatically just contrast you can write down for meta-directing groups also. Here are few examples students: NO2 group, CN group, COOH, CHO group, COR, etc. Okay, so these are the ring activating and deactivating groups. Next, put the side heading orientation and reactivity, students. Put the side heading orientation and reactivity. Ready? Okay. So students, the orientation effect of the group or atom which is present on the ring is well explained by electronic theory. Okay, I told you na, it's entirely based on the orientation effect or directing influence of the group or atom which is present on the ring, and this orientation effect is well explained by electronic theory. So what does it tell about? We have already seen that, students, in benzene or any other aromatic compound, electrophilic substitution reactions most commonly occur, and also the electrophile will attack that position of the ring where electron density is high. Where electron density is high. Okay. So what is it, ma? The electrophile will attack that position of the ring where electron density is high. And we have already seen that ortho-para directing groups or the activating groups, they activate benzene nucleus. So activating benzene nucleus means what? They increase, as they are activating groups, they increase the, look here students, ortho-para directing groups. They are also called as activating groups. I told you na. That means they increase the electron density in the benzene ring and hence facilitates further substitution. Okay. When we come to meta-directing groups meta directing groups. What are these called as? They are called as deactivating groups. Deactivating means what? They deactivate the benzene nucleus. Deactivate the benzene nucleus means what? They decrease the electron density in the benzene nucleus and hence hinders further substitution. That means they do not facilitate further substitution. Okay, so this increase and decrease in electron density is mainly explained or influenced by various effects, students, like inductive effect, next electromeric effect, next mesomeric effect, and hyperconjugation. Please write down, students. The increase or decrease in the electron density mainly influenced by various effects like inductive effect, electromeric effect, mesomeric effect, and hyperconjugation. So students, how the increase and decrease in electron density is explained by various effects. Case 1 you can write down, students. See, if the group or atom which is already present on the ring pushes the electrons away from it, that means the electrons are pushed towards the ring from the group or atom which is present on the ring. Okay, then we can say that such group shows plus I, plus M and plus E effect. Once again, suppose if the group or atom which is present on the ring is pushing the electrons away from it towards the benzene ring, then we can say that such group is able to show plus I, plus M and plus E effect. Okay, students, such groups means these type of groups, they are able to increase the electron density, especially in ortho and para positions, and hence they will be able to direct the new incoming group or atom to ortho and para positions. Okay, so that is about the new group going to ortho para positions. How the electron density is being increased at ortho and positions. All this will come in this point. Okay. Next, case 2, students. Suppose if the group or atom which is already present on the ring, if it is pulling or withdrawing or attracting the electrons from the ring towards itself. Here what happened in the above case, they are pushing the electrons away from it towards the ring. But here this group or atom attracting the electrons from the ring towards itself. Then we can say that such group is showing minus I, minus M and minus E effects. Okay. Now, such groups, what do they do, students? They decrease the electron density, especially at ortho-para positions, and comparatively, the new group will be directed to meta position, which has relatively more electron density when compared to ortho and para positions. Here, write down note, students. One important point to be noted. You can write down substitution at meta position is comparatively difficult. Why? Because the group already present is deactivating the ring by attracting the electrons towards itself. Okay. Substitution at meta position is comparatively difficult as the group already present deactivates the ring. Okay. So one more important point, students, below you can write halogens, especially brackets you can write down electron attracting, that is showing minus I effect. Write down, students, one more important point at the end. Halogens in the brackets electron attracting, that is showing minus I effect, close the brackets. Although they are deactivating, direct the new incoming group to ortho and para positions. Direct the new incoming group to ortho and para positions. Full stop. This is because of the dominating plus M effect. This is because of the dominating plus F plus M effect. Okay students, so hope you have understood all the topics which I have explained today. If you have liked and if you have understood the explanation, write down all the points in your notebook, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.